Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Imagine having the power to print large format documents with precision, speed, and security. That's exactly what the HP DesignJet T1600 PostScript Inkjet Large Format Printer offers, and I'm excited to dive into its key features and show you why it's a game changer for any team or business. First, let's talk about productivity. The HP DesignJet T1600 is designed to keep your teams working efficiently with its compact and quiet design. It's perfect for busy offices or studios where space is limited and you don't want to compromise on performance. But what really sets it apart is its radically simple solutions and the easiest PDF printing capabilities. With the HP Smart app, you can easily print and share jobs from your mobile devices, making it a breeze to collaborate with colleagues or clients. Whether you're working on a complex project or just need to print out some documents quickly, this printer makes it easy to get the right results. Another area where the HP DesignJet T1600 shines is in its ability to progress your work at every project stage. With the fastest print speed in its class, you can meet deadlines with confidence. Plus, the integrated automatic print stacking feature saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on more important tasks. But what really impressed me is the unique Adobe PDF Print Engine, which displays the finest details from lines to bold colors with incredible accuracy. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or graphic designer, this printer ensures that your prints look professional and polished. Now, let's talk about security. As we all know, protecting sensitive information is crucial, especially in today's digital age. The HP DesignJet T1600 is the world's most secure large format printer, providing the best network protection and giving you complete control over who accesses the printer and confidential documents. You can rest assured that your fleet is secure at all times, thanks to features like Secure Boot, encrypted hard disk, and secure printing. This means you can print sensitive documents without worrying about unauthorized access or data breaches. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T1600 PostScript Inkjet Large Format Printer is an incredible piece of technology that offers a unique combination of productivity, performance, and security. Whether you're a business owner, team leader, or individual user, this printer is designed to help you achieve your goals and take your work to the next level. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient large format printer that can handle your most demanding printing needs, look no further. Find the link in the description below to learn more about the HP DesignJet T1600 and discover how it can transform your workflow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials, and join our community of tech enthusiasts who are passionate about exploring the latest innovations and advancements in the world of technology.